Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto E7 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Photos app. And now to take a screenshot, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and this little window will appear right here. You have menu here. On this menu, you have options like Edit, Share, Google Lens, and Delete. You can also take the screenshot another way. To do it, press and hold the power button and tap screenshot option right here to take the screenshot. And since we are in the Google Photos app, you can see we have the screenshots album, and here we have our screenshots. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.